Hello and welcome to Toybroadway's Paul today. We've got the workmen in, so please ignore any banging and outside. We're just having a look at a steel radial power wired remote control fire engine. So this one was fairly badly corroded in the battery compartment, but I've managed to get most of that fixed. So it's quite a big toy. We can see we have got some movement now. And it should have a left and right, but that is only just sort of working. And we've got some good sound effects. So let me know if you've still got one of these steel radio power toys that's working quite happily. We'll just have a look at it now with the ladders up. I guess there used to be some sort of basket at the end there that the fireman would have gone on when this toy was new.